Assalamualaikum, hi there, this is Sudar and you are watching So's Filmbook. In this video, I'm kindly explaining how can you remove noise from your pictures. Well, this video told about the Lightroom mobile application which is the best for editing purpose and also is totally free in Play Store and App Store both. That's why you can easily download it from your stores. Otherwise, if you're lazy like me, just go to description box. I am already provided this link, just go and download it. So, take it easy, 5 simple steps, very simple. Without any further ado, let's get started. Back to the mystical world of Lightroom Mobile and let's get started our first process. First of all you have to do is just go to the details option. Here you can find the noise reduction. All you have to do is just increase this. It totally depends on your photo's condition. If your photo is much noise, you will increase it or otherwise decrease it. Okay, our first process already completed. We are going to our second process. So let's go. One more thing, you must have to remind this when you reduction any noise from photos. Sometimes we see our photos details was randomly decreasing. That's why it's look like sometimes very blurry and choppy. And it doesn't look like real. That's why you need the details of this photo. If you need the details of this photo, just increase this details option and apply it on your photo. In addition, when your photo is look like pale and the noisy subject doesn't match from the background, just simply apply this contrast and then here you can see the photo is look like little bit vibrant. Right now, we are at the fourth step of our noise reduction, which is color noise reduction. In this case, it will work when the color is noises. For examples, sometimes we saw the noise will cover the photo's color. In this time, it works. If you face this type of situation, then increase it or otherwise I will recommend it to you, don't increase it. Okay, fifth process is details, which is the same as the previous one. That's why I am skipped it. Anyway, the last thing is smoothness, which is create a photo smooth or hiding blemish. Well, our all process is completed. Right now we can see the before and after of this photo. So let's go. Here you can see a lot of change of this photo. Anyway, my only aim to teach you how to noise reduction of a photo with using a handy smartphones. In this video, I told about the noise reduction in the details. That's why this video is too much long. Anyway, sorry about that and thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Take care, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.